Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use keyframes on CapCut PC to upgrade your videos. So I'm just going to use this video right here, and for instance I want to zoom in to a specific player and I want to zoom it like on this portion right here. Add a keyframe at the beginning and go to the part where you want to zoom in. Scale it and move it so he will be like the focus point, I guess. If you don't want to zoom too much, you can definitely adjust the scale on it, but you're just going to have to move this just a little bit around. And we have that. We can also rotate it by pressing it here. So for instance, I want to kind of rotate it a little bit. I don't really use this feature that much, like this rotation bit, because I don't quite need it. You can also add in keyframes to the opacity. So for instance, you want a fade in effect, put the opacity to 0, and then here I'm going to put the opacity at 100, and it's going to gradually create this effect. And there's a lot of like keyframes that you can like apply. You can apply it to chroma keys, you can apply it to masks as well. Here I'll show you quickly. Like at the end I want like an out mask transition. So I'm just going to select this heart shape one. I'm just going to place it in the middle, and I am going to add a keyframe here. I'm going to make this, actually I'm just going to leave it. And then I'm going to add another keyframe here and make it kind of small. And then at the beginning, I'm just going to make it super big, like that. And make it super tiny. You have that. You can also add keyframes to video effects as well. Here I'll show you again. Maybe I want to add this mirror effect, but gradually. Okay, I can't add it to this one, but you can add it to other effects. And let's see. Okay, this one you can smart sharpen. So you can add a keyframe like at the beginning. You want it to all be at 0, and then like here you want to like sharpen it a little bit and stuff like that. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.